Starting off with this very cute, super fiery little fox. This is the Vulpix. Say hello to Vulpix.
And we have its evolved form, the stunning nine-tailed Pokemon with a unique type of mystical power. Meet Ninetales!
And this Pokemon is very relatable to me. It can gulp down food with endless enthusiasm. Meet Munchlax.
And their evolved form is a very lazy Pokemon that just eats and sleeps. Here is Snorlax!
And for our next pairing, this Pokemon is tormented by headaches, but has very powerful psychic abilities. Meet Psyduck.
Who's that Pokemon that swims by elegant lake shores and also has telekinetic powers? Meet Golduck!
Next up, this is a very hard worker Pokemon who can tell Pokemons and people's feelings just by looking at their auras. This is Riolu.
And their evolved form is powerful enough to pulverize huge rocks and has the ability to sense the auras of all things. Meet Lucario!
Last but not the least, we saved the best for last, is a very electrifying and iconic duo. This small Pokemon has yet to fully master storing electricity, but has the power to zap even adult humans. Meet Pichu!
Everyone, let's give it one big drum roll for our final Pokemon. An intelligent Pokemon that generates great power of electricity and is full of energy to join us in this show. The one, the only, Pikachu!
You can enjoy the Pokemon Evolution Surprise in two ways. The first one is, of course, you display it in its Pokeball for everyone to admire. Or